Today, we will learn how to create value judgment on critical issues. But before that, let me first introduce to you some of the important ideas that you need to be familiar with as we go through our discussion. And let us start with the critical issues. Critical issues are topics that deal with problems and their need for solutions. In other words, critical issues are subject matters that need good analysis and which can lead to prompt or fast actions. Next is the word judgment. Of course, it is the process of forming an opinion or evaluation by discerning and comparing. Your judgment of the situations you encounter in your life will determine how wise your decisions and actions would be. Okay, so it refers to one's ability to judge or assess a situation or event. In judging, it is important to consider weighing up things and use your critical thinking before giving your final opinion. This means you should try to look at all sides of situation to be able to determine the best or the wisest solution you could possibly offer. Next is value judgment. Value judgments evaluate things with respect to certain standards or norms. It may refer to a judgment based on a particular set of value system. Value system is the principles of right and wrong that are accepted by an individual or a social group. Therefore, value judgment is a statement of opinions based on personal preferences or personal belief regarding a certain issue. It is your viewpoint on how good or bad you think the situation is based on what is accepted within your society. For example, the issue is mercy killing. If you are not in favor with this issue, you can say it's wrong, it's bad, or it's shameful. However, if you think different about it, you can say it's okay or it's the right thing to do. Now, let's determine various critical issues we usually encounter. Those critical issues are the following. First, we have moral issues, followed by economic issues, then political issues, and lastly, we have social issues. Let's discuss moral issues. It refers to those which involve a difference of belief or preference. This relates to beliefs about what is right or wrong, or to a situation as to whether one obeys the law in a particular circumstance or not. Okay, so this is about dilemmas that relate to what is right or wrong, ethical or unethical, good or bad, or just or unjust. A moral issue becomes a problem if one is uncertain or unsure about the acceptability of his or her decision or action. Because there is a possibility that your preference tells you that something is right, while others might tell you it's not. In other words, a moral issue would involve an agreement or disagreement regarding a particular issue. An example of moral issues are abortion, premarital sex or practice of sex before marriage, and gender issues. Next is economic issues. This refers to the problem of making choices that occurs because of the scarcity of resources. This is concerns with the organization of money, trading, and industry. Okay? So it occurs because we people have this limitless desires. We always say, I need to reward myself, deserve ko to. We tend to be Mr. That or Miss That most of the times as we often say, I like that, I want that, give me that. Okay? However, the means to satisfy those desires of us is just limited. And because resources such as land, labor, and capital are only limited or scarce, people and societies must make choices about how to allocate them proportionally. Example of economic issues are inflation, or a general increase in the prices of goods and services in an economy, and an income equality, or the unequal distribution of income throughout a population. Next is political issues. Political issue is an important subject that people are arguing or discussing about. It is relating to the way power is achieved and used in a country or society. Okay? Political issues are matters that relate to the government and the exercise of power within a society. It deals with how power is distributed. For example, if it is legally acquired or forced. Or we can also say if the power is handled correctly and not showing abuse of power. Okay, so examples of political issues are corruption and terrorism and counter-terrorism. And finally, we have social issues. These are problems that influence many citizens within a society. It refers to an unwanted situation that frequently results in problems and continues to harm society. Is a problem that affects many people within a society, or a condition that disrupts or damages the society or the people in the society. It is a group of common problems which many people attempt to fight or strive to solve. Some examples of this are poverty and homelessness, discrimination or racism, and unemployment. Okay? So those are the various critical issues we usually deal with. But before we end this lecture, let us go back to the first issue that I introduced to you, which is mercy killing, or most commonly known as euthanasia. Mercy killing or euthanasia is the intentional ending of life of a person who is suffering from a terminal illness, meaning you intentionally kill members of your family not only because you wanted to end their suffering, but also to stop the cause of your increasing medical bills. Now, I want to ask you, are you in favor of euthanasia or mercy killing? Write your answer in a clean sheet of paper. Have a good day. Bye.